Folks, thanks for tuning in. Gonna be switching up the video format here just a grunt, so stick around, let me know what you guys think. I would appreciate all the feedback you guys are willing to give me. Come on. Got the old Tahoe in here. Got the new wheels I'm gonna get put on tomorrow. Really need to clean this garage, doggone mess. Get these wheels put on tomorrow. And first things first, we're gonna set the back end of this Tahoe down to match the front. Leveling kit sent out to me, and it is 2 rear coils and a shock relocation setup. We're gonna go ahead and get this slapped on the Tahoe. And that company actually makes parts for almost any vehicle that people like to lift, lower, level. Heck, they got everything. So let's jump into this. So I got the new spring sitting right next to the old spring. Popped them right out as soon as I got the shocks taken loose from the axle. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop the new spring back in, and then I'll install the shock relocation mounts onto the axle. Let me just start off by saying this. I've installed a bunch of leveling kits. A lot on 2-wheel drive trucks, a lot on 4-wheel drive trucks. And every single time it's been front end leveling kit. I just did this reverse leveling kit. They was polite enough to send it out to me, and I'll go ahead and throw it on here. And I'm impressed. I think it took me 35 minutes. I can't, you can't beat that. You just can't. I get it pulled out tomorrow, get it in some daylight. Bunch of shadows casting on it. Hard to really tell what's going on here, but it looks so much leveler. Well, now they said it's a 2-inch drop in the rear to match the front, and it is. It's sitting as level as I think you're gonna get with buying a leveling kit. Just got back from the tire shop. Old tires are in the back. These tires are all mounted up and looking good, let me tell you. No. Very nice. Man, does the Tahoe look nice. Now, I went and took it for a drive for a little bit, and it has the exact same ride quality. I didn't sacrifice anything by doing that leveling kit, which is a reverse leveling kit, I think is what they call it. But not a single thing was sacrificed. Still rides good. Now, I haven't put a trailer on it, so I can't vouch for that. But ride quality wise, exactly the same. But this thing actually has less body roll now with the rear end drop down to match the front. Looks good. Dirty, needs a bath. So like I said, this thing still rides like a cloud. Can't really beat that too much at all. But I'm running to town right now. Well, I'm actually running to town over to grab some parts for something else I'm doing. But took this instead of my truck. Anyways, Tahoe's still looking nice. Just in case you didn't know. That's me right there. So, had the leveling kit on the old Tahoe for almost a month now. It's been just shy of 25 days of being on there, and no difference in ride quality. If anything, I think it has less body roll and drives a little nicer with the rear drop down to match the front. Oh yeah, a little dirty. Doggone bugs out here. Just washed this thing not too long ago. They get after it in the morning. Gonna go ahead and clean up these front porch rocking chairs. Things are filthy. Bunch of mildew and dust sitting on them. And they're about to turn that peanut field across the way. They're gonna get dustier. But just rather get them a little more usable. I still sit on them, but it just don't really bother me that much. We'll go ahead and clean up this stuff, get it as clean as we can. Stay tuned. A little bit of that Dawn dish soap, a little bristle pad, or Scotch-Brite, whatever you want to call it. In about 5 minutes of your time, get this white chair just glossing again. Got all that mildew off there. I mean, there's some still on there that won't, just some stuff that really don't want to come off. And probably some mildew remover or something, but real nice, real white.
Ready? So hard, why did he get it? Oh, here we go. Mooses! Mooses, come on, bud!
He's like, I can't see nothing. So me and old Jonathan, we're over here clearing us up a clay pigeon range into the old valley of death. So we've cut down a few trees, notched a few things down here. Just got to get this one more up out of the way and keep on clearing. But it'll be a nice downhill throne. You'll be shooting down on clay pigeons, which will be different. I ain't never done that, so we'll see how that goes. Big tree, son. That's a real big tree.
Now you can,
I can walk across, go to bridge.
yeah, walk across it.
Woo! Done slid off my hill.
Sheesh, boy.
Here we got this little area here pretty well cleaned out, and it's a nice opening here. Very nice, very nice.